Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by loading the exact node and edge data you will visualize. This saves time and prevents rework. Once your CSV or JSON is imported, map columns to ID, labels, weights, and categories. Now choose an initial layout, radial for hierarchy or force-directed for organic clusters. Then set gravity and edge length so nodes don't overlap. Make sure to enable live preview. You will see immediate changes. Finally, lock fixed nodes only when essential to preserve space for the spray algorithm. Once the layout is visible, refine the core algorithm parameters to shape the graph. Increase spray intensity to disperse dense clusters, or reduce radius to keep related nodes close. Run 3-5 iterations and observe stability. Next, balance node repulsion versus edge attraction to control spacing and enable label collision to avoid overlap. Use filters to isolate a subgroup, then apply color and size encodings to reveal patterns. Make sure to save incremental versions so you can revert changes quickly. Finish by running a final stabilization pass so forces settle and labels align. Then export to PNG, SVG, or JSON while embedding a legend and source metadata. When preparing for slides, bump DPI, increase font sizes, and boost contrast for readability. If the visualization still looks cluttered, sample or aggregate nodes and rerun the spray with lower intensity. Troubleshooting tip: if layout oscillates, reset parameters to default, reduce node count by 10-30%, then reintroduce elements gradually to locate the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.